Okay, so we are almost finished with this project. Now we just have to solder these things together. So now I've soldered, now I have to color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a burnished copper look. So I'm going to color the copper, the solder copper, and then I'm going to color it with a little bit of black patina in order to give it kind of a dark copper look, because I think that's going to blend, that's going to bring in some of the browns in the room in order to, and bring out some of the brown in this panel too, because there's only so much of it. So I think that'll really bring out all the colors and bring them all together. So thank you for your interest in Glass by Geldner. If you wish to view all of these videos from start to finish, please start. There's 4 videos in this series, and if you want to see how glass is done, that's a good way to do it. If you're contemplating a custom order piece and you're contemplating me doing it, it's a good way to see how I get my work done and what kind of quality you can expect from me. You can like me on Facebook under Marissa Geldner. You can also visit my store at www.glassbygeldner.com. I specialize in wildlife art, and I'd love to do one for you.